Hi children, welcome to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Before starting today's session, let's go back to our last class. What was that? Articles. Article a and the, isn't it? Where we use article a? We use article a before singular noun which begin with a consonant sound. We know there is 5 vowel sound. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Only these sounds are there in English language? No. There are many other sounds are there, isn't it? That all sounds are known as consonant sound. So consonant sounds are the sounds except this vowel sound. So article A come before singular noun which begin with the consonant sound. The next one is article an. Article an also comes before a singular noun which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. Okay, the next one is article the. Article the comes before both singular and plural noun, which always come before a universal fact or something specific. For example, the sun, the moon. Okay, so that's all about the articles a and the. So today, now we are going to learn about the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's start today's session. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, animal, thing, place, idea or a quality. Okay, that we already discussed in the last class. In English, there are 2 types of nouns. They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. It is very important to know whether a noun is countable or uncountable, because it is going to tell you where we can use the articles a and the. So we need to know whether a noun is countable or uncountable. So let us begin with the first one, countable noun. Countable nouns are the things, people, places that we can count like 1, 2, 3. Now what is this? This is a pen, isn't it? So pen is a noun. Okay, how many pens I have? I have a pen, which means I have 1 pen. So we can say I have a pen. Now I have 2 pens. Now I have 3 pens. I have a pen. I have 3 pens. So countable nouns can be singular or plural. I can say I have a cat. I have 2 cats. I have an umbrella. So we can use the article a and an and the with countable nouns. So in countable noun, there will be more than 1 noun. When I say I have 2 books, it is more than 1 book, isn't it? When I say I have 3 cats, it is more than 2 or more than 1. Okay, so countable nouns can be singular or plural, and we can use the article a and the. And we can also use the word many with these uncountable nouns that we will discuss later. Now we look at on uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are the nouns which we cannot count in numbers. In countable nouns, we can count the noun with numbers, but here we cannot count the noun with the numbers. Now, what is this? This is Water. Water is a noun. Okay. Can you count this water? Like 1, 2, 3. Or can I say, I have a water? Or can I say, I have 2 waters? Or I have 3 waters? No. We can say, I have a glass of water. That is right, but we cannot count the water like a water, 2 waters, 3 waters. So, there are some nouns which we cannot count. Say the noun sadness. Can you say, he had 2 sadness? Or he had 3 sadness? No, we can say he had the sadness. Right, so there are some nouns that we cannot count it. They are known as uncountable nouns. Most of the uncountable nouns are categories. For example, the word furniture. We cannot say, I have 3 furniture. We cannot say, I have a furniture. But we can say, I have 2 chairs. I have 3 tables. Another word or another noun is money. We cannot say, I have a money or I have 10 money. We can say, I have 5 coins. Like that. So some exceptions are there, but generally we cannot count these uncountable nouns. Different types of drink and fruit that we cannot count. For example, the milk, juice, water. I cannot say I have a juice or I have 2 juices or I have 8 juices, but I can say I have 8 glasses of juice. So that's the difference. So uncountable nouns are the nouns we cannot count using numbers. We do not use a or an with the uncountable noun. We use the article the and the word much with the uncountable noun. We do not add s or es with the uncountable noun. So that's all about this uncountable noun.
There are some examples for uncountable nouns: advice, aggression, assistance, beauty, beef, bravery, bread, butter, etc. So all these nouns we cannot count in numbers. So these are known as uncountable nouns.
Now let us look at some other words which we can use before this countable and uncountable nouns. They are much and many. Article a and the word many is used with countable nouns. The word friends. Friends is a countable noun. So I can say, I have many friends. Books. It is also a countable noun. So I can say, I have many books. I have many pens. I have many cars. Okay, so the word many is used with countable nouns.
The next one is much.
We use the article the and the word much with uncountable nouns. If I don't have enough water in the bottle, I can say there is not much water in the bottle. If there's not enough money with me, I can say I don't have much money. So the word much is used with uncountable nouns.
In your textbook, page number 18, there's an activity in grammar section B. Students, Circle the correct options to complete the sentence. Do it by yourself and check the answer key in the Google Classroom. And study the answers of question number 2, A and B for tomorrow.
Dear students, I hope you understood today's class. And don't forget to do the textile activities. And watch the videos again and again for understanding more. Definitely you can call me to clear your doubts. And I remind you, dear children, don't rush through the activities and question answers. Take your own time. One question and answer for one day. You don't need to rush. Okay? We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Be happy. Bye-bye.